This is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida. My channel is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. That is a palette knife that I will use to swipe with. This is some PPG Speed Hide that I have added 25% GAC 800 to, which might make it an interesting, might make it a little challenging because it's definitely runnier than I remembered last time. And if I need some more, I'll leave that right over there. I am going to use an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula and spread some of this out right now so I don't have to think about it after this. Much anyway. I may tip that puddle down to one side and put my new colors. I have 12, I've just spent 2 days mixing up, and I have 12 new colors from Colour Arte in the primary elements, and they are frosted sorbets. Put that up there. I'm going to take that puddle of paint and move it around a little. I'm being a little messy. So, this is, like I said, the first time. I have no idea where to start, but I think I'm going to use the bonus color, which is Indian Spice. I meant to put that down here, and I think I will. And I'm just going to pick my favorites as I go. So this is Plum Blossom. This is gorgeous. I might use a palette knife to transfer some stuff. This is called Icy Iris. I just used that. No, I didn't. This is Blue Ice. They are awesome colors. They are quite sheer, so I definitely need a dry run before we go to the August 7th, 2022. This is an interference violet. This is not one of the new colors, but this is definitely worth using. So on August 7th, starting at 2:45 p.m., there is a Summer Splash event for Colour Arte. It's an educational event, and you can win a $400 shopping spree or a 6-piece set. This is the Tango Pink. I'm going to use some Tiger Lily. I've got a gorgeous Bashful blue. They may dendrite a little bit, they might bleed a little bit, but I happen to be a fan of that effect. This is called Blue Grotto. This is stunning. I love this color. Pardon my glad cling wrap. Yeah, Blue Grotto is the bomb. Love Blue Grotto. And I wasn't sure I was going to like a couple of other colors. Cherry Sorbet I definitely like. Matter of fact, I love it. I wasn't sure I was going to like the Chiffon Pink, but I definitely do. It'll be beautiful in skies. Did I miss anything? I'm not sure. I thought there was another purple, but I'm not seeing it. Maybe I'll hit it one more time with the Icy Iris, because I love that color. Alright, this is the first day with my new spin box. I don't think I've got all the bugs worked out yet, since I'm still crinkling paper. I'm going to grab some Atelier Cell Activator mixed with Oxyfloetrol, as well as some Amsterdam White, Atelier Rich Gold, and I wanted to grab what? I wanted another color. Yeah, I think I am. I think I'm going to use some Boysenberry, which is a primary element. And that's not a cell activator, but I'm going to add that on top. So I'm going to start with the white. No, I'm not. I'm going to start with the black. Move on to the gold. Throw in some white. And use that Boysenberry, which I should put someplace I can find. And then I'm going to turn it upside down. I may have more paint on here than I need, but I'm loving the black mixed in with that. I do have a damp studio rag. I will wipe off my palette knife and leave it handy in case I want it. I think I'm also going to grab a straw and what, a palette knife, my round one. I'm loving that. Just share some of that. I see that blue up there and I'm tempted to use my palette knife. And what? I've got some P.E., iridescent blue violet. I think I want to use it in combination with some of the Atelier black. Just a little bit. I don't see a lot of the white. I might want to go down at the bottom also and hit that one spot. We'll see what I do in a minute. Where do I want to start? I think it's time to do a little wrecking. I did set my timer for 10 minutes just to have a practice run to get ready for the August 7th summer splash. I do take some time and watch Nikki D, and she is an inspiration to me. I kind of want to take a little bit of that black. And blow around and see what happens when I go down there. Now I'm going to spin out. Do I have enough cells? I think so. Maybe not. Maybe I want a few more cells. The cells will continue to develop with the Aussie Floetrol. There. I think I like that better. We'll see in a minute. Now it's worth seeing right side up for you, but I don't know what it's going to look like when I'm done spinning it out. It might actually cover the whole canvas. I'm going to take the dull end of a skewer. That's my 10 minutes. And if I were going to share the secret word or phrase with you, now would be the time. Okay, I kind of hate to do it, but there's my first spin in my new box. I definitely could tip that down to one side, but that makes me want to grab something to pour it off onto. I definitely like those colors. I don't really want to get rid of anything. Okay, never mind. I'll take what I get. There won't be much of the horizon, but I think it's pretty anyway. Now I have beautiful cells, but I lost a fair amount of the black and I really liked it. So, do I go back again? I think I do. Yep, I'm not unhappy with that. That's not a bad first try. It's actually beautiful. Throw a few spirals in there, that never hurt anything. And maybe I should try and shimmer that at you, because I can. Let's move it back into the center. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, saying if you would like to help me out, then check out my link tree. My link tree is right underneath the 20% off Colour Arte coupon code that you can find, along with the link to the website. I'm going to get right down in there. Shimmer those at you. I will be taking a skewer and piercing. Wow, those are gorgeous colors. I will be piercing any bubbles that I find. Any paint that I've got extra is going to go on this top edge because it didn't go all the way over, but it is a lot of it is covered. What can I tell you guys? Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. When you watch longer, you help me out. My email address is easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, @gmail.com, and you can contact me regarding lessons, or if you have an interest in purchasing an artwork, just let me know via that email. Under the video, you can find spring clothing, and on my link tree, you can find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, along with Le Gallerist clothing and Society 6, and there's more gear at Le Gallerist and Society 6. If you can't find what you're looking for, and you're looking for something that I made, you can just ask me to add it, and I can do that. This is fantastic. Wonderful sorbets. I got one thing that's bugging me, and that's that little white spot right there. It's an artist thing. There's always one little thing that bugs us. Alright, so I will see you guys anon. My light just shut off. That's not what I had in mind. There we go. Whatever I forgot to tell you would be I have over 2,600 videos. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Thanks for the thanks. Thanks for joining. If you join, there's an entirely new private members-only library available to my members, and it's a membership fee of $9.99 right now. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. If you have questions, feel free to ask, and look for my paint pouring recipe underneath Show More. I'm loving these new colors, and I'm looking forward to playing with them. They're going to make a great sky. And other things. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Oh, and I love you guys. Thanks for inspiring the heck out of me. Talk to you tomorrow, maybe. I post at 2:15 Eastern Standard Time. Bye now.